Are you a business owner? If so, are you considering the sale of your business soon or in the future? What we share with you today could truly be life-changing information. If you're like most business owners, you likely have a tax professional that helps you to depreciate your assets to save on taxes. Along with chasing deductions, this seems to be their only option. However, depreciating assets is the worst strategy, but most business owners don't even know it, and most tax professionals don't know it either. Because most business owners blindly follow their CPAs and tax advisors, they often fall into the depreciation trap, or spend weeks, if not months, chasing deductions and write-offs just to save on taxes. Depreciating assets actually robs your equity from your business, so when you're ready to sell the company one day, your book value of the business is much lower or next to nothing. This causes massive capital gains taxes when you're ready to sell the business. Do you realize that you could be losing 25 to 50% of the sale of your company because of capital gains taxes? Most business owners have no idea that this is about to happen. What if I told you that if you planned correctly, you would never have this problem again? You would never need depreciation again. You would never need to chase deductions or write-offs ever again to cut your tax bill. We will show you how to defer your profits using a specialized type of trust, gaining all the advantages of the super wealthy. The super wealthy use a tax and capital gain deferral mechanism hidden in the tax code, and once you understand how it works, you will learn how to avoid the taxable event. There is no capital gains tax when the taxable event never occurs. Instead, the income or profit is deferred indefinitely into a very unique type of trust that not only protects your assets, but gives you the ultimate tax and asset control. So remember, if you depreciate your business just to save on taxes, you will lose on equity in the business and ultimately lower your book value, which causes massive capital gains. This is good news for the IRS and bad news for you. It's called capital gains taxes, and if you forget to pay them, get ready for recapture taxes. They will come knocking on your door. You see, when a business owner depreciates something, they always lose something. You can't cut your tax bill for free. There's always a cost. For every gimme, there's a gotcha. And if you keep listening to the same CPAs, then don't expect a different result. If you have a closed mind, then your only hope is the depreciation trap. Earn income, chase deductions, depreciate assets, capital gains, and recapture taxes, and the cycle repeats itself. And get ready to lose up to half of your business to the IRS when you sell. If the capital gains taxes don't get you, the recapture taxes will. If you don't plan well, the IRS will eat you for lunch. However, all is not lost. If you're lost in the depreciation trap, there is still one option left to avoid these massive capital gains taxes. The truth is, the gains can be deferred in a specialized type of trust that can defer the gains for generations. These trusts are completely legal and have been around for hundreds of years. While 99% of business owners get pulled into this depreciation trap to lower their taxes and then lose half their business trying to sell it, there is still 1% of business owners that don't seem to have these issues at all. Why is that? There are thousands of business owners not paying these massive capital gains taxes because they are using some very unique tax codes that allow the capital gains to be excluded. Excluded means it's not considered a gain. In fact, the tax code actually says, not considered income. Since 1994, our attorneys have served business owners just like you, helping them harness the incredible wealth-saving power of trusts. You see, the largest part of your business is typically what is known as IP, or intellectual property, and most companies don't even use it. They don't even know it exists. They don't even know they have IP. Well, we can show you not only how to use IP, but how to leverage it when you're ready to sell your business. Intangibles like trademarks, patents, copyrights, secret processes, goodwill, your reputation, etc. All of these are intangible assets that are the very thing that make your business unique and valuable. This specialized trust not only helps with the taxes, but it can also build a huge legacy for your family at the same time. And if you are thinking, trusts sound complicated and expensive, you owe it to yourself and your family to let us show you exactly how we can set up a specialized trust that may help save you an enormous amount of money. Ask yourself, am I paying $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 a year in taxes? Why? What if you knew there was a legal way to avoid these high tax bills with the stroke of a pen? What do you have to lose? Click the link on this page and request your free consultation. It won't cost you a dime, and your information will never be given to anyone. Click the link now.